Welcome to episode 1 of Pandemic Hair, the basic wand curl. It is my hope that these tutorials will give you at home ways to look and feel better about yourselves during these dark times. Our lovely model today, Joanna. We start, of course, with the product. This is hot off the press by Paul Mitchell. It is a thermal protectant that will provide an excellent barrier between the heat and your hair. The hot tool that we have selected today is the Neuro Unclipped Styling Cone by Paul Mitchell. Now for the technique. Notice as I wrap the hair around the wand that I maintain a ribbon effect with the hair. I don't twist it. Also notice that each time I wrap the hair, I leave the ends out. That is to create a bohemian or tousled look that is so on trend today. When it comes to proper temperature settings, I generally find that at home, people use too high or too hot of a temperature, and that is detrimental to the integrity of the hair. Use a lower setting than you might think necessary to start, and see how that works. I like to use 300 degrees as a starting point when I'm working with my guests in the salon. As I release the curl, rather than dropping it and letting gravity take over, I spend a little time and manipulate the curl into shape with my fingers. This is very important because heat shapes, but the cooling is what sets the curl. For the finish work, I'm spraying Extra Body Finishing Spray by Paul Mitchell up and into the head shape. Taking a moment to celebrate my work. Working through the curls, breaking them apart with my fingers, adding volume where it needs it, taking volume away where I don't want it, to create my finished look. What you'll notice as we work through these tutorials is that the integration of product, tool, and technique is crucial to an effective style both in the salon and at home. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Below, in the description, you will find links to all the tools and products used to make today's tutorial. Have a great day.